This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, giving out the NuVet Plus. So here we are. I'm going to give it to Hunter. Then I'm going to go give it to Brownie. Come here, Brownie. Brownie. There you go, Brownie. Then I'm going to give one to Crypto. And then I'm going to give one to Pikachu. There you go. They are eating great. Now I'm going to give one to Molly. And then I'm going to give one to Faith. Good girl. You guys are good. Okay, now I'm going to give one to Cloudy. Okay. Then I'm going to give one to Einstein. Einstein. Here you go, Einstein. Einstein. Einstein, come here. Oh, I got to come all the way over here. I have to throw it over. Einstein got it. Einstein got it. Come here, Shadow. Now I got to give one to Shadow. Here, Shadow. Here, Shadow. There you go, Shadow. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to give one to Violet. There you go. One to Levi. There you go. They love their NuVet Plus. They love it. Now I put it in the puppy's food, but I'm also going to give it to, come here, the yellow. Here. The yellow. All right. Come here. Here you go. Here's the yellow.